Hey YouTube, how you doing? I'm Dave and I'm building a home theater. And it is kind of a DIY, mostly is. But today, it's not about construction, it's not about pulling wires or electrical or this or that or paint. Today, I'm actually going to be talking about equipment. And today is a big reveal on the type of projector that I've chosen. If you've read the title, you probably already know, but don't look, don't look! Here it is, you ready for the reveal? You ready? Ready? 1, 2, wait. Hey, sorry for teasing you there. Anyway, I'm going to reveal it right now. Here we go. 1, 2, 3! I got an Epson! I'll tell you why. I got the Pro Cinema 4040 because it has the ability to have extreme lens shift. And what I mean by lens shift is that the projector just doesn't project straight. It will actually adjust down or adjust up. Because if you've watched any of my other videos, you'll remember that I'm putting it back there in a soffit, very high off the ground. And I want it to be flat, absolutely, actually up, right side up is the way how I want it to go into the soffit. Most projectors are designed to be hung upside down from the ceiling or down low and then project upwards. So the projectors are designed to just go up, or if they're upside down, go down. This one has lens shift. Now the only other ones that I found that have a lot of lens shift are the Sony models. They have like 71% lens shift, which is huge. I forget what the Epson has, but I think it's going to go in my soffit. If it doesn't, well, I'm going to have to hang it upside down from the ceiling. But either way, it's going to be great because this fits into the challenge. It's a demo. I got it from a shop in Michigan, a home video store in Michigan. But the great thing about it is that it only has about 30 hours and a brand new bulb in addition to the one with 30 hours on it. So I'm pretty stoked about that. And I got it dirt cheap because Epson just announced that they're about to roll out a new version of this. So as a result, they put it up on a famous auction website for a good price, but it wasn't good enough for my liking. So to stay within the cheapo challenge, buying used or really inexpensive, it fit the bill. So what I did was I gave him a phone call and said, hey, I see you got this projector on eBay. Oop, I shouldn't say that. Auction website. And would you be willing to sell it off of eBay? And I gave them an offer that was several $100s less, and they took it. Yeah! So this thing retails at about, I think, $2,400. I got it for $1,200 plus $50 shipping. That is a freaking steal, and it comes with a brand new warranty. I got my receipt, I get the warranty. So if you want to save some money on your home theater, do what I do. Be patient and be ready to pounce when the right deal comes along, like this one. Other places to look for, Craigslist, buy used, etc., etc. Now, I was only looking to spend about $500, $600 maybe, because I spent so much doing this. Well, because I was able to find such a screaming deal, I dug a little bit into my pocket. So now I got to sell a few things to make sure that it stays savings neutral, that I don't take from my savings to build this theater. So I got a couple of bicycles I'm going to sell. That'll cover the cost of this. So let's open it up, see what's inside. Hang tight. All right, let's take a look and see what is inside this bad boy. All right, I've never done one of these reveal videos before, but they seem to be really popular on the YouTube. So I figured I would join in. Ooh, fancy bubble wrap. And cardboard that's shredded. Ooh, all right. All Alright, and remote control. Now remember, this is a demo unit, and I got it really cheap. Oh, it is 4K. It looks like another bulb. And a sealed box. Let's see what's in here. Oh, check it out. It's a mount. I had no idea that it came with a mount. That is pretty awesome. So, that's gonna save me a couple bucks if I have to hang this puppy from the ceiling. And whoo, more paper, all right. And more cardboard, all right. Man, this is like a kid's dream. Boxes and cardboard. Boing, and that, whoop, those are there. And what do we got here? Okay, a cable cover. Check this out. Man, most of the stuff isn't even used. Okay, this is a cover that goes on the back of the machine to cover up your cables. All right, put that up there for safekeeping. Take this over here. All right. Oh yeah. Here we go. Let's see. In this box we have power cable. And I have no idea what that is. All right. Throw that over there. Okay, there it is. Wow, I'm really impressed. These guys did a top-notch job wrapping it back up. $1,200. Can you believe this? I am so excited. I hope it works, that there's no issues with it. But that's a good thing. I bought it from a reputable company online. They have an online store, they have a storefront, and even though they're in Michigan, I really have no concerns that they will honor it. But it is new, according to Epson, so it does come with a full warranty. So if there's anything wrong with it, my warranty started about a week ago when they shipped it. Look at this. Oh, is that beautiful? Look at that. Man, I can't believe I got such a nice machine so cheap. All right, here we go. Let me show you the back. That's pretty sweet, huh? All right, so I try to make this fun, try to make it exciting, and this has turned out to be really boring. So I guess what I'll do is I will get this all hooked up. I have to make some modifications to my my soffit, because this is a lot bigger than what I had originally planned for up there. So I'm gonna have to take out the Sawzall and do a little bit of chopping to make it fit. But first, I need to make sure that when I put it up really high to the ceiling, that it's going to be able to do a lens shift down far enough to hit the screen. If it does, fantastic. I'm gonna cut the heck out of that soffit and make this puppy fit. If it can't go down far enough, well, I'll be hanging it from the ceiling. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was kind of lame. So if it really stunk, give me a thumbs down. But I hope you liked it. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I got more stuff coming on, and I'm going to show you this in action when I get it hooked up. And I'm also going to show you how I'm going to do the testing to see if the lens shift is going to be enough to drop it downwards. And that's going to require a big ladder, a little bit of time, and I'll show you how I do it. And thanks for tuning in.